Quality healthcare is a necessity of any and all developing countries. Ghana, recognizing this fact while actively investing in other sectors, has still made several strides towards achieving very quality healthcare, the latest of which is a 600 million unit vaccine manufacturing plant, which is certain to further drive the country's course for better healthcare for all citizens upon completion. In today's video, we take an in-depth look at all the details pertaining to this wonderful project and what we as a nation are to expect from it once it's complete. Before we begin, kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more insightful content. Let's dive right into it. The healthcare sector in Ghana has over the years been under a lot of scrutiny for reasons such as lack of modern facilities, lack of skilled personnel and the likes. In recent times, however, there has been a massive improvement in the development of the healthcare industry into one of the finest on the African continent. A lot of modern state-of-the-art medical infrastructural facilities have been made available to the people. Same with the training and provision of highly skilled specialists in various medical fields. It therefore comes as no surprise that the President of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, has just cut the sword to initiate the construction of a 600 million unit manufacturing vaccine plant at Medie in Accra, the capital city of Ghana. The project's first phase, which is set to cost an estimated $122.6 million, will be fitted with state-of-the-art technology to produce malaria vaccines, HPV vaccines, pneumonia vaccines, rotavirus and cholera vaccines. The first phase of the project, which is expected to reach completion during the latter part of 2024, will see the facility produce its first ever vaccine in the first quarter of 2025. If everything goes as planned, vaccines produced would be made accessible to every child born in Ghana and the West African sub-region at large. Phase 2 of this exciting project, which would be the expansion of the Phase 1, will eventually incorporate the production of more vaccines, which would in turn lead to tackling more ailments. The second phase is set to be in full flow by the second quarter of 2025 as well. This initiative is being executed by DEK Vaccines Limited, a consortium made up of 3 of the top pharmaceutical firms in the country: Dan Adams, NS Chemist and Kinapharma. DEK has one goal, which is to produce the best vaccines for Ghana, the ECOWAS region and Africa as a whole, under a broader plan to increase the continent's capability to produce vaccines. The idea for the establishment of a locally based vaccine manufacturing plant came about during the uprising of the COVID-19 pandemic, which reminded the nation and West Africa at large that it is far from ideal to solely depend on the benevolence and goodwill of developed countries for vaccines and other critical healthcare amenities. This triggered the government of Ghana to support the very capable private sector in developing vaccines locally. The European Union ambassador to Ghana, Mr. Ichad Razali, confirmed that the European Union, through the European Investment Bank, has provided €5 million grant to support this project. The grant, which would be used to cover project-related expenditures, initial engineering and civil works, equipment down payment, project development and technical assistance, goes to show the European Union's support for the country as a whole. The President of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, during the sword-cutting ceremony, educated Ghanaians on the positive impact the local production of vaccines would have directly and indirectly on the country's socio-economic growth. He also urged Ghanaians, especially the well-meaning entrepreneurs, to invest more in the healthcare industry to propel its growth and bring resounding benefits to all parties. The establishment of this milestone project propels Ghana closer to achieving its target of becoming the hub in several sectors within the African Continental Free Trade Area, which would bring enormous benefits to the country and provide growth in various aspects of our economy. If you like content like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out this video next on other massive projects going on right here in Ghana. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.